Hello, so we're back, and this time we have a proper nice laptop to repair. Asus Vivobook. It is Asus Vivobook a nice laptop? It is. Now this job is coming from a computer shop. Let's check the letter. No sign of life. I did some basic preliminary tracing with the multimeter to find short to ground. I can't be sure because to me it seems shorted everywhere, but the EC chip seems very suspicious. This is beyond my skill to fully diagnose. I'm looking forward to see your video to find out what I missed. So the laptop is dead, and what the computer shop is saying is short everywhere, and the EC chip seems to be suspicious. Yeah, screws. I will say, before you are plugging the power. I easily will plug in the power. Okay, let's open and check the main power rail. Yeah. Just to be sure we have no short there. Short everywhere doesn't look good. Suspicious EC chip, again doesn't look good. Not sure if we can replace the EC chip on this one. And the laptop, it's open. Yeah, that's a nice motherboard. We don't have a dedicated GPU chip. So where we are checking the main power rail? Where we are checking the main power rail? Remember the PAT, coil, chip, capacitor? Yeah. So what do we have? We have coil, MOSFETs, capacitor, and it's not short. Coil, MOSFETs, capacitor, and it's not short. Yeah, my multimeter is good. Coils, MOSFET, capacitor, and it's not short. I think it's safe to plug the charger, no? So it's nothing shorted here. Actually, we cannot plug the charger because I don't have the charger. Oh, that sucks. No, we don't have the charger. Let me check the charging port. On the charging port, we have 2 pins. Do you think this charging port has been replaced? I can see there are broken track. But anyway, we have 2 pins. And if I remember, the charging port is going here. Yeah, so we have the first MOSFET, second MOSFET, second MOSFET, then we have this power supply with 4 MOSFETs, which is creating the main power rail. Yeah, we don't have a current sensor here. Perfect, so this MOSFET should beep with the charging port. Okay, this MOSFET is not beeping with the charging port. This one? Yeah, this one is beeping. So this here is beeping with the charging port, which is strange. Why this it will beep? The charging port is coming straight here. Okay, then I don't understand the configuration, but don't worry, we're gonna figure it out. Let's go with the power supply, 19 volts. A little bit of current. Yeah. Ground plus. And it's taking no current, nothing. Dead. So what is after these 2 MOSFETs? We don't know. No, nothing. Plug in the battery. We can plug the battery. Plug in the battery, plus here, and the battery is not charging. Oh yeah, it is charging. Check that. The voltage is like 10 volts. Let's raise the current. Yeah, 3 amps. Yeah, let's settle to 3 amps. Okay, just give me like a few minutes to charge the battery a little bit. So we charge the battery a little bit. Let's see what we have. You know what? Now I remember. Yesterday I had a Vivobook and I plug a Dell charger, and it was coming on. It was not charging, but it was coming on. And the voltage on the battery is 10.6. Let's see why they are saying is something strange with the EC chip. Huh? EC chip, we have no voltage. I'm assuming those are like pull-up resistors. Here we have lol 3.3. Yeah, it's nothing. I mean, nothing strange. It's something weird on the EC chip. I mean, what is that? Huh? You think the EC chip is blow up? Or maybe it's just dirty. Yeah. Okay, so the EC chip has 3.3. What about our keyboard? Do we have 3.3 on the power button? Power button, which is somewhere. Power button is not on the keyboard. There's no voltage on the keyboard. Where is the power button? Hmm? The power button, it is on the keyboard. Wait, I think it's a special button for the keyboard, right? It's clicking different. You think this can be, here can be the ribbon cable from the power button? Hmm? Can be. So the voltage here is, yeah, check that, 3.3. Probably the lead sensor also. 3.3 again. So everything seems to be fine. Good. Let's check the power button to see if it's working. So the power button. 3.3, pressing the power button, nothing happened. We have a light there. Check here, check here, check here. Hey, the CPU is on. It's getting warm. Hey, 1 second. So actually, you think the laptop is working, but it's working. That's crazy. Means the laptop has a charging issue. The computer shop didn't charge the battery to check the laptop, right? Yeah. Okay. Okay. It's working. I can't believe. Okay, let's plug a Dell charger. With the Dell charger should come on. Actually, I think it's still plugged here on my power supply. Yeah, it is. Yeah. I told you. I use it on a Vivobook. Plug in the charger and it's doing nothing. Pressing the power button. No, it's not working. No, it's not working with the charger. No, nothing. Ha. Why is not working? Very curious about that. So here we have, we have like 20 volts. Let me lower the voltage. Yeah. Here we have 19.8. Here we have 12.7. Yeah. So then we have here on the motherboard, we have 19.8. Check that. Not sure what. I'm still confused about that two MOSFETs. Not sure what they are doing. That sucks because I don't have the charger. But should work on the should work on the power supply. So the main power rail is present. The main power rail is 0 volts, 1.4. Check that. So we don't have the main power rail because we don't have the battery. This board is not coming on without the battery, right? But why the main power rail is not present? Oh, I'm still confused. Okay, let's have a look on this power supply. So we can have a look on this interseal chip which is creating the main power rail. In order for this chip to create the main power rail, we should have voltage here at the input, and we have 19.8. Then we have 4 MOSFET. They are bouncing the coil up and down and it's creating the main power rail. Also, this voltage should go here. We need power for this interseal chip, and we have 19.7, and here we have 19.7. So the voltage is present on this chip. So why this chip is not doing the job? Let's see the output of this power supply, which is here, and we have 1.4 volts. So the power supply is not working. Why the power supply is not working? Who knows? Let's see. So this MOSFET looks like has been replaced. I mean, it's just weird the way how is the solder. You can see the solder here on this MOSFET or this MOSFET. Here it's weird. Do you think actually? No. Okay, it's just weird. So this MOSFET is fine, is fine, is fine. This MOSFET is fine. 3.8 ohms. Oh, doesn't look good 3.8 ohms or 3.7. This MOSFET is good. This MOSFET is good. 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 So the only strange MOSFET is this one. But if you remember, we had a video and actually I replaced the chip and proved actually to be okay, 3 point something ohms. So not sure how we can approach this repair. So this must be ground here. Yeah, it's ground. That's great because we can come with positive voltage on that MOSFET. Yeah. Let's turn this down to like, yeah, just like 1 volt. Little bit of current, just a little bit. Great. So I'm gonna come with 1 volt on the gate of this MOSFET here. And it's taking 200 milliamps. Huh? Let's check together. Let's see what is taking 200 milliamps. You know what? On that case, where actually I had a short between gate and source and was fine, it was a different chip. So most likely 2.3 ohms is not fine between the gate and source. That was a Vivobook, but different model. Okay, let's see what is getting hot. So coming with 1 volt on the gate. It's taking 260 milliamps. And what is getting hot is the chip. Check there, the chip. Can you believe that? Again, can be normal, but we're gonna replace that chip. Yeah, it's not hard. Actually, it is a little bit because I have a lot of plastic around. I'm gonna turn the laptop around so I can come with hot air from one side. Yeah. I'm gonna use a small nozzle. Small nozzle present, 480 degrees. Good. My special tweezer. Yeah, let's do it. So this is a Interseal A241. I'm not even sure if I have this chip. Pin number 1 there. Yeah. And the chip, it's out. Do you remember to have on my box this chip? 9241. Interseal 9241. So what do you think? Can we find this kind of chip here? Can we find Interseal 9240, right? I mean, yeah, it must be same duck, right? Black, square. Actually, it's 9241. Check that. 9241. Yeah. I can't believe actually I have a brand new chip here. You can believe it? 9241. Yeah, brand new. Everything from my box is brand new. Let's check the pins. Yeah, definitely brand new. That's how it's coming from the factory. Pin number 1 here. Good. We need rosin? Nah, we don't need rosin. Rosin is expensive. Or maybe we need. Okay, maybe we need just a little bit of liquid rosin. Good. And we have rosin there. Yeah, we have picture on the screen. Yeah. And the chip is soldered. Huh? What do you think? Yeah, looks like brand new. Yeah, perfect. Right? Yeah. Good. So what about now? What about now? You want to say something? Just say it. Huh? My brand new chip is not working. Is burned? Nah, nah. I can't believe that. Let's see if we still have 3 point something ohms. Yeah. So we said, yeah, we had before. Between the source and the gate of that MOSFET, from here to here, yeah, it's not. Check that. Check that. It's fine. It's infinite resistance. So now it's okay. Good. Let's plug the charger. So plug in the charger. Now we need 19 volts for that. 19 volts, more current. Plug in the charger, and it's doing nothing. 600 milliamps, and we have light. Check that. Check that. Huh? And my power supply clicked. I don't have enough current. Huh? 300 milliamps. The CPU is getting warm, which is good. Let's wait for the picture. Every time we are disconnecting the battery, the BIOS is getting reset. Someone said easy pizza. Ah, easy pizza. Can be. I mean, we didn't took the board out. If we are not taking the board out, we are calling that easy pizza. Yeah, no holies. Still no we have picture. That's crazy. Actually, my brand new chip, it is brand new. Yeah, check that. No, I don't think it's charging because I checked on the other Vivobook. Plug in the battery. No, it's not charging because I don't have the charger ID pin. No. On the laptop restart, right? Power off. Pressing the power button and it's coming on. And yeah, it is working. It show me the battery now. It show me the percentage. It's 1%, but it's not charging. No, because this is a Dell charger, and you need the charger ID pin on this one. But I'm assuming it's working. I mean, that chip was burned, right? Yeah. Pressing the power button. Yeah, we do have the charging light, but no, it's not charging. I'm assuming this laptop is repaired. The fault was pretty clear. Was the interseal chip? Always check. And when you have weird resistance between the gate and the source, I will look first at the driver, not at the MOSFET. Yeah, if you have like source or drain, yeah, that makes sense to look at the MOSFET, but not gateway source. So we can call this a repair. Again, it can be a surprise. And actually they plug the original charger. It's not working because I can see a broken pin there. Remember when we worked like more than 2 hours on that Vivobook, and actually this track it was broken from the board, the charger ID pin one. Wait, but this is not the charger ID. 1 second. No, this is the charger ID pin, and this is the 19 volts one. You can see it's kind of damaged, so most likely someone replaced this port. And if I check with the multimeter, checking with the multimeter, here we have 19. So clearly this is the middle pin, and here we have 0 volts. So this is the charger ID pin. Yeah. And no, we cannot fake it. I think, 1 second. No, I don't have it. It's like this one, but smaller. Remember, like the old Samsung, but it's smaller. No, I don't have this one. Or, no, like this. Check here, like this, but smaller. I believe it's smaller. Yeah, it's not going inside. No, I don't have it. Anyway, the laptop, it is repaired. What I want you to keep in mind when you fix this kind of faults, like this laptop, or not necessarily this laptop, but first try to figure it out where is the fault. And charging the battery, actually, it's a good way to separate the things, yeah? So we seen actually the laptop is working on the battery. That means this is good if it's working on the battery. So all what is left is actually, you know, this power supply input circuit and obviously this chip. Okay, good. So I'm gonna stop here. I will say thank you for watching. You don't like, subscribe if you like the video, and see you on the next one. Bye.